سلام 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 مرحبا 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 حجي ما بزعبا قنقنيا نصلينا idioms لك كمتي زحلفه فيديو مالتيو حرقتيو كنبلو خلنا نسب انتايو اذا سمع مستلعله اي ملسنيو مستلعله اي ملسنيو انت حيزوكا اي لقكانيو محرت يبلون.
He's as relentless as a crocodile. He's as unyielding as a crocodile. He's as determined as a crocodile. He's as fierce as a crocodile. He's as unforgiving as a crocodile.
حرقتيو انت حيزوكا اي صدقاني تمنيو كنبلو خلنا نسب دما وال اكيو غراحيو رغوميو مرزاميو كله زلو مالتي زي.
He's as cunning as a snake. He's as slippery as a snake. He's as deceptive as a snake. He's as stealthy as a snake. He's as sly as a snake.
تمنيو غراحيو رغوميو مرزاميو اكيو قرديديو كنبل كلنا نسب دما قرديديو كنبل كلنا مثل جبكا سلام كازخلق مالتيو مثل جبكا سلام كازخلق قرديديو.
Once attached, he inflicts pain. He causes pain once he's attached. He brings discomfort once he's on you. Once attached, he causes suffering. He creates pain when he's connected.
قرديديو مثل جبكا سلام كازخلق هبيو كنبلو خلنا نسب دما انتاي زملكت ملكعو كفويو نمباليو هبيو.
He isn't attractive. He isn't good looking. He's not visually appealing. He lacks physical appeal. He's not easy on the eyes.
هبيو وخاريايو كنبلو خلنا نسب دما لقماتيو فقريو غراحي مالتي بعتيرو لقماتن فقرن توينو غراحي وخاريايو.
He is as cunning as a fox. He is as sly as a fox. He is as crafty as a fox. He is as clever as a fox. He is as devious as a fox.
وخاريايو بقيعيو خنبلو خلنا نسب دما انتايو تغوتيتو زخيديو حرايلو زمأزازيو حراي بحلايو بقيعيو.
He is as compliant as a sheep. He is as submissive as a sheep. He is as dutiful as a sheep. He is as passive as a sheep. He is as conforming as a sheep.
بقيعيو تغباراتو ناي بقيعيو مالتي تغوتيتو زخيديو زي جحيا كنبل كلنا وي جحيو كنبل كلنا مالك كمتا هبيو وي هبيا زماساسل ترغوم يزالو جحيا ملكع بلان كفئتيا مالتيو جحيا.
She is unattractive. She lacks appeal. She is not visually pleasing. She's not good looking. She is unappealing.
جحيا بلاعلو كنبل كلنا دما سلعو ريدلو سلعو ديقلو سلعو او ريدلو نبل بلاعلو عدلني ايو زي تصبي رخيبو معناتي بحاتيرو.
He was surprisingly lucky. He experienced unexpected good fortune. He found himself unexpectedly blessed. He received unanticipated luck.
بلاعلو سيطان زيبلو معدي كنبل كلنا دما نبينخا بحيتكا تحقسلو معناتيو نبينخا بحيتكا تحقسلو سيطان زيبلو معدي.
solo joys, personal pleasures, private treats, individual bliss, solo indulgences.
Satan ዘይብሉ ማዲ ከብዱ ግምጥልጥል ኢሉ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ከብዱ ግምጥልጥል ኢሉ ብፍርሒ ተሓቆይኑ ብጣዕሚ ፈሪሑ ማለት እዩ ዘስምዕ
He was deeply afraid. He felt profound fear. He experienced intense fear. He was profoundly scared. He was filled with deep dread.
ከብዱ ግምጥልጥል ኢሉ ዓዲ ሙሉእ ኣንፈጥ ፊጡ ክንብል ከለና ድማ well ዓዲ ሙሉእ ርዒዱን ሰንቢዱን ዓዲ ሙሉእ ኣንፈጥ ፊጡ ዓዲ ሙሉእ አንቀጥቂጡ ከምዚታት ንበል
The village was terrified. The village was gripped by fear. The village was in terror. The village was in panic. The village was engulfed in fear.
ዓዲ ሙሉእ አንቀጥቂጡ ዓዲ ሙሉእ አንፈጥ ፊጡ ኣብደም ከእትወና እዩ ከእትወና ንፈርሕ ይቕሬታ ኣብደም ከእትወና ንፈርሕ እንተልካ እንታይ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ቅትለት ነፍሲ ከእትወና ንፈርሕ ቤተሰብካ ተኮይኑ ሓውኻ ተኮይኑ ውላድካ ተኮይኑ ቀረብካ እንድሕር ኮይኑ ማለት እዩ ብሓፂሩ ከምዚ ትብል ኣብደም ከእትወና ንፈርሕ ተባእሳዩ ነግራሚ ኣብ ቅትለት ነፍሲ ከእትወና ንፈርሕ
We fear he'll drag us into killings. We worry he might involve us in murder. We are afraid he'll pull us into violence. We fear he'll entangle us in killings. We are concerned he'll involve us in bloodshed.
ኣብደም ከእትወና ንፈርሕ ያክል ይበሎ ብኡ ይወዳልና ክትብል ከለኻ ድማ ብኡ ይወዳልና ማለት እዩ ያክል ይበሎ እንተልካ ብኡ ይወዳልና ማለት እዩ ቅሬታ በሐሳብ አጥቢቀ አንቢቤን ያክል ይበሎ ብኡ ይወዳልና ያኽለኩም ይበለና ማለት እዩ በሐፂሩ
May God bring an end to our trials. Let God terminate our suffering. May God conclude our struggles. May God put an end to our difficulties. Let God resolve our challenges.
ያክል ይበሎ ብኡ ይሕለፈልና ብኡ ይወዳልና ጨጎራ ነዝሕልና ክንብል ከለና ድማ ልክዕ ከምቲ እሾኽ ነዝሕልና ማለት እዩ ትርጉሙ ሓደ ዓይነት እዩ ጨጎራ ነዝሕልና ሓድሕድና ባኢሱና ኣናኺሱና ንብል
He sowed discord among us. He spread trouble among us. He caused strife among us. He introduced conflict into our midst. He created tension among us.
ጨጎራ ነዝሕልና በአፉ ዝሓድር ንብሎ ሰብ ታዩ በአፉ ዝሓድር ተለማሚጹ ወይ ድማ ተማሳሲሉ ክነብር ዝኽእል ማለት እዩ በአፉ ዝሓድር ሰብ እዩ ንሕሪልናዮ ተለማሚጹ ወይ ድማ ተማሳሲሉ ክነብር ዝኽእል እዩ
His tongue helps him survive. His words ensure his survival. His eloquence aids his survival. His silver tongue sustains him.
በአፉ ዝሓድር ሰፊ መቀበሊ ክትብል ከለኻ ድማ ሰፊ ንኣብነት ቁርሲ ጌርና ንሰብ ንዕድሎ በት ሰፊ ሶ እንታይ ማለት እዩ እታ ሰፊ ካብ ሓደ ሰብ ናብ ሓደ ሰብ እያ ትኸይድ ሰፊ መቀበሊ ክንብሎ ከለና ንሰብ ድማ መላኽዒ መባፃፅሒ ካብ ሓደ ናብ ሓደ መባፃፅሒ ማለት እዩ
A bringer of conflict, an instigator of strife, a source of tension, a promoter of discord, a catalyst for trouble.
መባፃፅሒ ንኽፉእ ነገር ማለት እዩ ከምቲ ቁርሲ ዘይኮነስ ንሕማቕ ነገር መባፃፅሒ ዕማኾ ወይ ቁንጣሮ ዝኾኑ ክንብል ከለና ድማ ቁርብ ወይ ውሑዳት ንምባል እዩ ዘስምዕ ዕማኾ እዮም ቁንጣሮ እዮም ቁርብ ወይ وحدات.
Just a handful. Only a few. A small number. A scant few. Very few in number.
أما هويهم قنطارهم عسلهم كنبل كلنا دما بانصارو مالتيو بوزحات يوم لما بالي تسمع عسلهم.
They are numerous. They are a crowd. They are a large group. They are many in number. They are a multitude.
عسلهم الخبكاب ويدما الراي من راي كنبل كلنا وال kind of صرفيو علوتاو ነገርዩ ግን ታይ ማለት ይትርጉሙ ካብ ዝተፈላላዩ ቦታታት ዝተኣኻኽቡ ስደተኛታት እዮም ንምባልዩ خبካብዮም ሪራዮም ክንብል ከለና ከምኡ ኢልና እንጥቀመሉ ኣለና ማለት ኣይኮነን ግን ክንፈልጦ ነው ቋንቋ ገዳስ ስለዝኾነ
They are non-native. They are not locals. They are outsiders. They are foreign to the area. They are immigrants.
Yeah. خبካብዮም الراي من رايهم فيديونا أبز ودينا لنا سسنايو تطعمو خبهاتكم أي فلا. See you in the next video. Thank you زاوغالي.